What's up YouTube? It's your boy RonDaGreat back here with another video. You don't know your boy back on his feet again, you see me? Today, I don't know, me and my mother and my brother go somewhere. We don't know exactly where we go. Probably I go just treat myself or something. But me decide to me want to turn on the camera and record what go on through the day, you see me? So I want to like the video, subscribe, leave a comment. I'm not gonna make this too long because my phone actually not fully charged. I want it actually fully charged so I can get a good amount of clip for the enjoy. You see me? I just changed my battery, so yeah, want to like the video, subscribe, watch the ads so I can earn a little money for this. You see me? So yeah, I turn on back the camera when we reach out or something. When we start go outside, I turn on back the camera. You see me? So yiddy. Can't wanna see with them body. Hey Mark. My mother have to collect some money, get uniform, trip. Yeah, we don't want to record too much also because copyright, we don't want copyright hold me, so yeah. Now I'm going to get a piece of other vlogs here, so hold on. I back one them. Eh? Yeah. Yeah, so we're going up the town, you see me? Because she decides that she wants to go to town, go buy uniform. So you're going to be a try and make me try and one by or something. So yeah, soon go on the bus. Hey man. Most of me start trying to car 2 points. I'm not too long to see when I'm supported. You see me? So I'm done. I got heal her out. I'm making you see her that if she want in the camera. I already see her before, so yeah, there we go. So yeah, you can lock me in. Real.
Take off this.
You gotta ride up my house.
So you want 2 shirts and 1 pants? Eh? I buy the 2 of them. My God, for how much hours? September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. 9 months. Put it in now. It's alright. Put it in. But me.
Well, look if you're lucky in this.
You feel like in himself now. We can buy, we can buy 1 pants and 2
I'm
shirts.
too sure. So white and one can wait with you. I know COVID. I have already in the paper Friday.
Come on. Big close to September, man.
Big one.
The pants are big one, you put one cover.
And shirt, the extra shirt, watch out.
But it's not big.
Watch out.
I try and buy this thing. Can I say, try and buy this.
I said, what could I say? Little bit?
It's cool, right? When I go to the general, it's possible to go with it. Go to the still. But it is the day one. Alright.
So
this is our.
So I don't know where she go with the big uniform there. You see me?
Really? I put my YouTube?
Next week we have to take you that. I'm gonna wear that in September.
This Friday?
My body too. How squash today? I'm also passive today. Oh. catch her back in a. Let me show her vlog.
Yeah, man, everything I should
Alright. Alright, so. Show him put on her mask. I vlog you all entire day. You know. Oh, you know what? You know what? Put it. Jano. Yes, you remember from. So everybody I wait for. I want to wait for you. Now go down there. From I would have like the from his son whatever the what up.
Yeah, black one day. You show them say go try and from everything too.
Yeah, but I could get full and like full everything from mother never want to look at me. And here I now fuck up. Alright, me I come in there. Yeah, just a That's right.
Watch out. Today, so, oh no, you're here. You see me long time. Okay.
Alright, so just reach back home in America City. Anyways, I did end up getting my shoes and shit. My uniform and my head back home right now. And then I road so. Let's see what I come. Other way too. Alright, so I'm going in my show now. So the vlog don't yet as you see. I did buy Air Force, but yeah, though. I wonder if you not hear me good. Yeah, hear me good? Alright, so I did buy an Air Force and shit, but I never get record the party because I don't know. And I told one people thief and them shit there, so me now go pull up my phone and say record this and shit. You see me, cause this nigga did have all my bag and never tell me say he did have my bag. And I have to look around and see say yeah my bag put on there so. And I never put on my bag. But anyways, the nigga did put it in a box and he said he couldn't find the box so he put it in a bag. Which me do a look at unboxing, but I guess we're gonna do a look at what you call this now? Plastic. What the fuck? Anyways, what about what my list? Alright, so basically I'm telling you why the reason why I wear brown is because my shoe, remember my shoes, my school are full brown, everything brown until you reach like fifth form and fourth form you start wear, what happened? Me I make my video, go on, bye bye, making my video again, stop playing with me. As you can see, my shit make right there. I don't know if you can focus. It's a made in Vietnam if it can look good. It can't show no good because the thing they want it much better. I don't know why it not focus, but up here say made in Vietnam. It's made in Vietnam, so yeah. Made in Vietnam, but it's because of backward. Vietnam this made in Vietnam. Yeah, so me I wear this to go to school September morning. And could have make a thumbnail. Alright. So that's the end of the video. We never get to buy nothing too big or nothing because the amount of things we have to buy from baby bread and one bag of something. We never get to treat ourselves, so let's say no, fuck that. But anyways, hope you enjoy it and never that much. Hope you enjoy the video, like, subscribe, leave a comment, turn notification on for you, just subscribe and peace out.